Good morning. Happy Saturday. Thanks for joining us for Saturday morning story time. Today I'm gonna be reading Gotcha and talking about dog food. I have two very involved audience members over here because they know I have food. But I wanted to talk about making your own dog food. I make my own food for Jesse and Tucker. They do still eat a little bit of kibble for the vitamin, nutrition. Not that I think it's that nutritious, but it does have supplements in it. They eat probably maybe not quite a cup of it a day. So mostly they eat the homemade stuff. So on the stove, this is how I do it. On the stove, I alternate my meats. This is frozen, but it's chicken, it's boneless chicken thighs. And it's about almost 2 pounds of meat. So I try to use about 2 pounds of meat in this recipe. And I've used chicken thighs, I've used chicken breasts, I've used ground chicken, ground turkey, frozen fish, those chub packs of ground beef. So I alternate. Like I said, right now in the refrigerator, I've got ground turkey. It comes in about a 3-pound chub, so I use that. Also, Jesse's getting excited because she knows it's real meat over here. Also, I use rice. So white rice, just put about 2 cups of rice. And you know that for every cup of rice, you got to put twice as much water. So 2 cups of rice, 4 cups of water. You got your meat. I cut it up. Not real small, but I cut up the pieces. They're boneless, skinless, but I cut them up. Also, frozen peas and carrots. I don't use this whole bag. I use about half each time. So about half a bag of veggies, 2 cups of rice, and about 2 pounds of the meat. Hello, it's raw. I know, we gotta cook it. Yeah, I know. I'm just showing everybody what you eat. And she loves it, don't you? Yes, she loves it. All right, I gotta slide this over because if I don't, well, she might end up on the table. All right, I'm scooting the food over. Okay, here we go. We're gonna read Gotcha. Yeah, I know. You have to sit and wait. Okay, Gotcha. There's a lot of food in here, so I just wanted to make sure that you knew I don't feed her this spicy seasoned Italian food that I talk about in the book. There is a recipe for meatballs too, and she does eat those, but they're not the same kind of meatballs that people eat. They're not seasoned. They just have, the egg, the breadcrumb, and the ground beef in them. So, yeah, I wanted to talk about homemade dog food because there's a lot of food references in this book. So, all right, homemade dog food. It's really easy to do. It's real easy to make. Okay, Gotcha. Here we go with Gotcha. It's my Gotcha day. Zoom. Every year, we celebrate the day. Can you see Jessie in there? Zooming around. My forever family adopted me. There she is. Whew. Sorry. I just got really excited. In my family, we call it the Zoomies. It's just another one of those amazing things about me. Just thinking about the special day I left the shelter makes my tail go thump, thump, thump. Out of the way. It's my favorite day of the year, and let's be honest, I do deserve the attention. After all, I am Jessie. Everybody knows I love Alaskan cod, but you should taste the other yummy things Mom makes, like pizza, pasta, and parmage. Oh, you know, that really good chicken stuff with stringy cheese and sauce everywhere. It's the best. When Mom is cooking, the house always smells so wonderful. In fact, I want something delicious right now. And then one of those soft, creamy cupcakes with lots of frosting and a treat on top for dessert. Maybe even a trip to that place that gives us cups through the car window. Just thinking about it makes my tummy rumble. Today, Mom is making sauce with hamburger meat and sausage. My mouth is watering. I can smell the garlic, parsley, olive oil, fresh tomatoes, all of the yummy spices, the hamburger meat, and the sausage. It might not sound like a big deal, but when all of those smells are mixed together, wowza! It makes my nose feel like a billion fizzy fireworks bubbles are exploding. Jessie has some strong skills there with her nose, right? It smells so good. What's happening right here? What's happening? Is she falling asleep on the couch? Whoa! Where am I? That doesn't look like the couch. What happened? Look! In the sky, it's food! I see cupcakes, dog bones, meatballs, cupcakes, even spaghetti. Ah, glorious cupcakes. Treats? For me? Of course I can sit. Yeah, I can shake too. Yum. Kind of tastes like sausage. Can you see all those food clouds she sees when she wakes up? And then she gets a treat. Yeah. Oh, I smell something really, really, really good. Like Mom's sauce, her pizza, maybe even garlic bread. But it's coming from everywhere. This place has the bestest smells ever. Can I have another treat? Thank you. Yes, it's me, Jessie, the most glamorous me you will ever meet. Hello. What's going on? She's meeting people. Yeah, she got off the boat and she's meeting people. What's this? I'll just grab a little spaghetti, slurp. And I can't leave this meatball. Stinky cheese? Don't mind if I do. Look, she's catching it with her mouth underneath the grater. Ah! Oh, and just a little garlic bread. crunch to go. Well, the girl's got to eat, right? Look, he's shaking his fist. She got all that food. Jessie, she loves to eat, huh? Hey, what's all that noise? She hears music. What's going on? Wow, a party for me. Everyone is celebrating my gotcha day. And look, they're all wearing pink boas. And those songs about amore. I could really feel the love. There goes my tail. Thump, thump, thump. He's playing the accordion. And they're dancing to the music. People are eating. Of course. Pizza, cupcakes, that Parma cheesy stuff, more cupcakes, pasta too. It's a perfect day and all about me, the famous Jessie. Sniff, sniff. Oh, she smells something. Wait, what happened? This is a party for her. He's even eating a cupcake. What happened? I must have dozed off while my extra special meal was cooking right here at home. She's back on her couch. Did she have a dream? I see cupcakes and pasta, meatballs and sauce. My bowl is full of fantastic food. Bellissimo. Now, that's amore. All right, so this is the end of the book. This is the last page. I saved it for you. You are going to help me read it, okay? Because Jessie's thinking the same thing that I'm saying. And I can only say it one time, so you have to help me, okay? You're going to say, I'm sure glad I gotcha. All right? Practice in your head one time. I'm sure glad I gotcha. Okay, you ready? I'll count to 3 and then we'll say it together. 1, 2, 3. I'm sure glad I gotcha. Good job. Thank you for helping. All right. So there's Jessie with all of her food and her cupcakes. If you buy this book, you will get some recipes. Yeah, in the back of the book, I added a meatball recipe, a cupcake recipe, and even my very own recipe for homemade meat sauce, not for dogs, for people. Yeah, because I figured people might be a little bit hungry after they finish this book because there's so much food in there. All right, so you can get my books on my website, www.jessiethepitmix.com, or you can get them on Amazon, or you can get them through Barnes & Noble. So, there you go. Gotcha. I'm going to put it right here. And I'm going to remind you about the homemade dog food. 2 cups of rice, 4 cups of water, 2 to 3 pounds of meat. And is this a pound? About a half a pound of frozen vegetables. All right, you just cook it for about, I don't know, 30 minutes maybe on the stove. You want to bring it all to a boil, cook it all at the same time, all to a boil, and then cover it and let it simmer for about 20, 30 minutes. And keep it in the fridge and feed it just like you do any kind of dog food. All right, I got some little snoozers over here taking a little nap. Jessie and Tucker. Jessie taking a nap. Are you taking a nap? Are you sleeping? Yeah. Oh, she tired? You tired? And look, and there's your Tucky brother. There's a Tucky brother. Oh, they're gonna kiss. Oh, kissy kissies. Oh, kissy kissies. All right. Happy Saturday story time, everybody. We'll switch there. All right. You're switching spots? All right. Happy Saturday. Thanks for joining. Oh, have a great day. Bye.